Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd do a video just showcasing what type of coins to be looking out for that will pump to exponential levels to go to this 20 million market cap range, because we have not been seeing meme coins go to this range for quite some time now. But Solana is at its highest that it's been in the past 6 months or so. So obviously, when Solana goes up to these levels, there is a lot more volume in the meme coin space, and that means that there's a massive potential to earn even more money. So we're going to go through the types of coins that have been really doing well in the past few weeks, just to give you that idea. Now, what's performed the best is this Ani coin. Now, this is all because Elon released Grok 4, and then he released these type of companions that are basically like these very funny looking. When I seen this, I didn't actually think it was real. I'm like, there's no way Elon has just created an AI avatar in Grok that looks like an anime character. Like, it's the weirdest thing in the world, but obviously because of that, it's got so much meme potential. And you can see right here that when it first come out, I seen it when it first come out, and it was at around 1 million market cap. Now, I didn't know if it was going to do much better than this. I was sort of looking at it going, I'm not too sure how well it's going to perform. I did not think that by any chance it would go to pretty much 90 million market cap at one stage. And it took a couple of days to do so, but this is the first coin that has done this in I don't know how long. And in my opinion, this is what's bringing the meme coin space back. So what I'm actually saying with this is that Elon is creating even more Grok Companions. This is not the first Grok Companion that is out right now. There's going to be a lot more. A lot of people are basically taking guesses on the names of these new Grok Companions that will be coming out. So essentially, all I'm saying with this is anything Elon is tweeting at the moment, especially if it's to do with these Grok Companions, if it's to do with anything new to do with Grok, then it is going to skyrocket. So the first people that get in, then you're going to be doing really well. So what my suggestion is to you is to turn on post notifications for Elon Musk. So yeah, my suggestion is turn on post notifications on your Twitter, literally for Elon Musk. The minute you see a post notification come up for Elon, so if it's anything to do with these Grok Companions and the name of them, then go find the exact meme coin variant of it straight away, the one that's performing best. On Axiom, there is a similar token section, so you will be able to see if you go onto any meme coin token and you see that there's quite a few variants of it, go to that similar tokens and find the oldest one. Also, probably what I'd suggest to do is copy a load of whale wallets. If you go onto our free Discord server, I've got a section on there that gives you a list of meme coin wallets to actually copy and then track. Basically, you can copy that and paste it into your Axiom wallet tracker. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see all the best meme coin whales like Cupsy, RNG. There's a lot on there, and if the ones that they're buying into the most, then definitely go ahead and get into them. And my advice is, if they're all getting into it and it's a Grok Companion, or if it's something that Elon Musk has tweeted that can definitely be seen as a meme within the meme coin community, then hold it. Don't be getting into it and then thinking, because it crashed a tiny bit, that it's not going to go back up. Just obviously invest a small amount, invest something that you can afford to lose, because if you invested into it at 1 million market cap and it goes to 20 million, 40 million, it's a 20-40x on your money. It is a no-brainer. A lot of people are talking about if there's going to be a Doge Grok Companion. That is one thing that everyone's probably thinking. So this is what's happening. People are basically betting on the names of these brand new Grok Companions at the moment and just hoping for the best. So yeah, the Grok Companion section, definitely look into that. We have this Valentine one. That only came out, I believe, yesterday. The name of it only came out yesterday. And you can see right here, it absolutely skyrocketed to 20 million market cap. And now it's holding at around 8 million market cap. So there is a massive potential for money to be made here. Here's another example. This was Baby Grok. So this one did really well. This went to 3 million market cap at its highest. Now, this is just because Elon released a tweet saying that he's going to create a kid-friendly AI chatbot. And one of the reasons why this actually did so well is because everyone was attacking. Well, not everyone. Don't think anyone really cared. It's just the mainstream media were fully attacking Elon Musk for creating these anime-type AI companions, which I think is really funny. So it brought a lot of attention onto it. He knows what he's doing. He knows that he can get a lot of marketing potential. So just download the Grok app, and the minute some new Grok companion comes out, rush to Axiom and find the best one. Another thing to watch out for in the meme coin space is ChatGPT 5, because this will be out publicly in the next probably couple days. It's meant to be launched in July. I know the alpha version is pretty much out now, and I'd like to try it, to be honest, just because it's meant to be absolutely amazing. So I'll quickly go through some of the best ways to find coins like this, especially while Solana is pumping at the moment. And one of the best ways is this mobiscreener.com. You can find a link to that in the description below. But I really like this degen mode. One of the best ways to do it to find new coins. So if you click degen mode, go over to age, then you can see all the latest coins. Now, some of these won't perform as well, obviously, it's because the new ones. But one of the best ways to see what is actually performing well at the moment is by clicking on whales and making sure you can see the whales at the top. So keep an eye out on these tools, especially by looking at the most recent tokens that are doing well, and keep an eye out for Elon Musk's Twitter and everything that he's been posting. Just look out for these type of new coins that will be coming out, especially in the next couple of days, especially as July is ending, because I can see a lot of these ones, especially the ones that Elon will be posting, if he's posting any more Grok Companions or anything new about Grok at the moment. I can see that going to a few million market cap, but you have to be the first on the, do you know what I mean? Because there's so many other people that are tracking his Twitter. So you just gotta keep your eyes out and just hope that you're at your screen the minute he posts this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.